Hey there, I'm your narrator for today, and I'm here to talk about some intriguing political shifts happening in Zimbabwe. Ever heard of Nelson Chamisa? Well, he's been a major player in Zimbabwe's political scene. But recently, things took a surprising turn. Let's dive in. About 2 years ago, Chamisa launched the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. But just recently, he made a shocking move. He quit. In a detailed 13-page statement, he expressed his frustrations, citing issues like infiltration by the ruling party, ZANU-PF, which he metaphorically described as swimming in a river with hungry crocodiles. Quite the imagery, right? Now, why did Chamisa leave the party he helped to create? According to analysts, it's not just about infiltration. They suggest that Chamisa felt he had lost control over the party. It's one thing to lead and another to hold the reins tightly, especially when infiltrators are involved. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Chamisa isn't just stepping back, he's gearing up for something new. He's hinted at creating a new political movement. This isn't just any movement, but one he believes will embody fresh and credible politics, steering clear of those who want to be served rather than to serve. This move has sent ripples through Zimbabwe's political landscape. The ruling party, ZANU-PF, has dominated for decades, but Chamisa's new approach might just be the shakeup needed. His call for a fresh political ethos is not just a critique, but a bold challenge to the status quo. What does this mean for the future of Zimbabwean politics? Will Chamisa's new venture resonate with the people, or will it be another fleeting attempt in the complex political arena of Zimbabwe? One thing's for sure, the political stage in Zimbabwe is set for some dramatic changes. So keep your eyes peeled. Zimbabwe's political drama is far from over, and with leaders like Chamisa steering the narrative, we're all in for some compelling developments. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to engage with this story as it unfolds. Catch you next time.